Hi everybody, it's Connie. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a fabulous beef tip and some wonderful gravy. And it's 3 ingredients and it won't take long to put it together, and it's so good. I can't wait to show you. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started on this. I've got my oven preheating at 350 degrees, and I really don't think it's going to take that long for these to cook. It might. I have a sirloin steak here, and I actually just put some seasoned salt on it and a little bit of meat tenderizer, and I'm just going to cut it up in some little chunks. Now, you can use stew meat if you want to, and I think stew meat is probably going to be a little bit thicker than this, but I'm just going to cook this up for me and Dave since it's just the two of us. I actually have another steak sitting out if it doesn't look like it's enough, but I'm going to get this all cut up, and I'm going to show you what I put on this yummy stuff. You won't believe how easy. Okay, so I had my meat all sliced, and I went ahead and used the other steak because it had a little bit of fat on it, and so I just trimmed all that off because I really don't want all that fat. This is about 2 pounds of meat. And like I say, it's sirloin, but you could probably use anything you want. Like I say, stew meat is fine. But I'm going to hit mine with a little salt and pepper. And this is to taste. This is totally optional for you guys. But like you've seen enough of my videos to know I like a lot of seasoning on stuff. So I'm going to do that. And then we're going to get started on the gravy. 3 ingredients. I promise it's fast. We've got 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, and I like to mix mine all together. Now, you could pour it one at a time over here and mix it in if you want, but I just kind of like that where it's all kind of incorporated together and makes this yummy gravy to go on top. And while I'm doing this, I just want to thank you guys so much for liking and commenting on all my videos. I love hearing from you all. I mean, Barcelona, Spain, my goodness, that's across the world, in Australia. You guys are wonderful. I love hearing from you. All of you in the US, I love it. I just want to say thank you so much for all of you for subscribing and liking and sharing my channel, and just keep doing it. It just makes my heart feel so good that maybe I'm cooking up something that resonates with you guys and that you love. But I really do appreciate you all. Okay, so there's my soup. I'm going to use the brown gravy packet mix. It's 0.87 ounces. So for you that may have the big container, it's 0.87. And I'm going to pour this in here with the soup. And then the next one is Lipton onion soup mix. It's just a dry soup mix. Well, I don't know if I can get it open. There it is. Okay. My hands are sore. I've been outside planting plants, and my goodness, I can tell that I haven't been doing that in a while, and so everything's hurting. I don't know if you've had that problem, but it'll get better, and I love it. I love this time of year anyway. Okay, you mix this together and then add 1 can, and I just take my soup can, just add 1 can of water to that and mix it all together like this. And if it looks like it's lumpy, just get your whisk out and whisk it together. Okay, so I'm just going to get my whisk and get the lumps out. You don't really want it lumpy. And then it looks like this, and it smells wonderful. And we are going to pour this over our beef tips just like this to make this beautiful gravy. And then I'm going to pop it in the oven probably for about an hour. And I'm going to check it and see how tender these are. But since I put tenderizer on my meat, it should be pretty good. If not, we will leave it in there just a little bit longer. And then I'm going to show you how beautiful this dinner is and what I serve it with. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, these beef tips are out of the oven. They smell phenomenal. This gravy is absolutely out of this world. You can try this with pork chops also. I didn't mention that earlier, but I told you I would show you what I'm serving this for dinner with. You know those yummy glazed carrots that I made? I don't know if you guys have tried them, but I linked the description to the video up above here. You can try that out. But we have a baked potato with cheese. I've got these yummy beef tips and these glazed carrots, and these are phenomenal. I cooked them for 1 hour. They turned out perfect. They're tender, juicy, so yummy. I hope that you go share the love. Tell somebody you love them, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you all. God bless, and I love you. Bye.